In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a click to call link button in Squarespace. This feature is incredibly useful for businesses and individuals who want to make it easy for their site visitors to reach them by phone with just a single click. Whether you're running a small business or managing a personal website, adding this functionality can enhance your site's user experience and potentially increase engagement. First, let's dive into the Squarespace interface. To begin, navigate to the page where you want to add the click to call button. Once you're on the right page, look for the option that says Add Block. This is where you'll insert new elements into your web page. When you click on Add Block, a menu will pop up with various options. From these options, select Button. This will add a new button to your page, ready for customization. Next, we need to edit the link associated with this button so that it initiates a call when clicked. To do this, click on the pencil icon that appears on the button. This will open up the editing options for the button. Within this menu, you'll see a field labeled Link. Next to this field, there is a gear icon which represents the settings. Click on this gear icon to access the link settings. Now it's time to enter the protocol that will make the button function as a click to call link. In the URL or link field, you'll need to type tell, followed immediately by your full phone number. It's important to note that there should be no spaces or dashes in the number. For instance, if your phone number is within the Philippines, you would enter something like TTL plus 6391234557789. Be sure to use the international country code to ensure it works correctly for all users, regardless of where they're accessing your site from. Once you've entered your phone number in the correct format, it's time to give your button a clear and inviting label. This is what your visitors will see and click on. You might want to change the button text to something like call now or contact us via phone. Choose a label that aligns with your branding and clearly communicates what action the button will perform. Finally, after you've configured the link and labeled the button, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save option in the editing menu and click it to ensure all your settings are applied and your button is ready for use on your site. And there you have it. This simple guide has shown you how to add a click to call link button in Squarespace. By incorporating this feature into your website, you're making it easier for your visitors to connect with you directly, enhancing their overall experience and potentially boosting your engagement rates. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore more features and customize your Squarespace site to suit your needs. Thanks for watching and happy building.